So I just had to bring out my friend, you know, just say what's up, you know. She was in the closet and she was just like, you know what, I want to have some fun today. So I'm just, you know, seeing what she's doing, you know. I made it look like it's a bomb ass cut though, right? Like for real, for real. Got that body, yaddy, yaddy, honey. Hey, welcome back. I hope you really like this look that we have going on today. I was feeling very, very Grinchy, honey. Very, very Grinchy. So I figured, why not? Just why not? Just go for it. So, you want to see how we created this look with the pure Grinch palette? Please stay tuned. I ain't even gonna show you quite yet. You're gonna have to subscribe real quick. You're gonna have to subscribe, like this video, and then we can continue on and I'll show you the palette. And we'll get into this sickening, this fierce, sickening look. Don't tell me she ain't fierce. I'll wait. She's fierce. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this palette. Here it is. This is the pure collaboration with the Grinch. I guess the company is Illumination Presents Dr. Seuss the Grinch. But yes, this is the packaging. Beautiful. I know it's throwing my lighting off. You go open it up. It has a beautiful mirror, a little display, says something cute on there. And the Grinch's small heart grew 3 sizes that day. Awesome, from the movie. Beautiful. So that's what it looks like when you open it. Pretty, right? Like, I love the glitters. Highlights a little light. Already start there. Blush, we'll see. I don't know if you guys know, but Pure Slick actually has some really nice pigmented quality shadows. Honestly, I used to work for Pure, and this is not like just being nice for the brand or anything like that because I don't work with them anymore, but their shadows are bomb. That's what they really need to do with their brand. They should really refocus and rework, because honestly their liquid foundation, sorry, let me get this together, I had to put my tea down, but their liquid foundation, honestly, it kind of sucks. I'm just being real. Their powder is bomb, but they have how many shades? Their sticks are actually really, really good, and they have 26 shades, but half of them, which is mainly the darker ones, are online only. So it's just like, if they re-geared their brand, put their sticks forefront, created a new liquid foundation, and had those eyeshadows as like one of their main bases hitter, like hard hitter go-to products, like their brand would sail and it would go so much further than what it's doing now. But don't listen to me. I've only been in the beauty industry for about 10, 11 years now. So I'm just saying. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this eye. After this random rant, right? Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with this eye. I am going to use my primer potion. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on the lids real quick. Oh, I also have glitter glue too from Too Faced that I'm gonna be using as well to make sure that, you know, everything looks copacetic and the glitter stays and isn't all over my face, because that is one thing I have used, tried and true, that works. So we're gonna go ahead and get that going. So the look I'm thinking I want to do, I really want to put like that deeper red tone in the crease. Go figure, because that's something I always do. And then I kind of want to like bring it out to like a wing type of form from the crease and like really deepen, smoke out the lid, put the green shimmer on top of it, and then top it off with the green glitter. I think that would be sickening, but we'll see when I get there. But that's the look I'm thinking in my head for the moment. Alright, I just had to put a little bit more of that lip balm on. But I'm gonna put some more on for y'all later so y'all can actually see. But I just felt my lips needed some hydration. It needed some hydration. Alright, so getting into this palette, I'm gonna go ahead and start with Cave. Actually, nah, Cave's a little light bright. I'm going to just go for what I know and just go in with Sly One, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to use my Morphe M441 brush and I am just gonna really build that up in my crease and bring it out to my outer corner in kind of like a wing formation, because we're gonna get in this Grinch formation, honey. Like, we're gonna make it happen. I don't want to use this mirror because it's like holding the whole box and all that stuff. I'm gonna simply just use another pure palette as a mirror. How about that? I'll use the pure BoxyCharm palette for my mirror. Yeah, because we can get in close, get in personal. I'll move up for you a little bit so you can get a better view. Focus there you go. All right, so now let's see this color. Oh yeah, see? Automatically, you get color. Pigment. Now does she blend? Let's see. Alright. So, I feel like I'm getting a little something something. It's intense pigment. Is it blending out the best? It's doing alright. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. I usually do a little bit at a time and build out with my shadows, but I am going a little bit more at a time because I do want this look to be more intense and I don't want to be sitting here doing this for forever. So I'm just gonna go through that again, and then I'm gonna take a smaller brush and go through it more and create that like winged effect out on the outer corner. But I really want this to be really, really red almost. That burgundy look. And this is my Morphe M433. And I'm using that same color Sly one. All the names are really cute, actually. They're all like the movie related names. So I'm like, I'm here for it. It was like kind of random to see that they would do it with like pure out of all the brands. But I mean, I guess. To come up, right? I don't know. Alright, cool. So I like the way that's looking. I'm gonna just bring that out a little bit. Just about to there. I don't want to looking too crazy. I didn't lay down any tape or anything like that. So I like the way that's looking. I like the way that's looking. Cool. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so now that we have that in the crease, and that was just the slide one, and it did all of that. I think that's actually pretty. You can just rock it out like that. But we're gonna go a little crazy. So I wanna go ahead and jump into that NYX Jumbo pencil in black. And I'm gonna apply that to the lid. I'm just going to take like a cream shadow brush and blend that out. I'm just going to use this one from Sephora, their number 28 cream shadow. Now, when you're blending it out, I only go so far up to the crease, like enough to kind of cut it. But like softly. And then we're gonna bring it out to almost like a wing. I want to add a little more. I want this part to be really intense. I'm actually living for this right now. This is very much Grinched out. Grinched out holiday vibe. So I just very much blended that out up through there and whatnot. And went real editorial on her. Alright, so now that we've gone all Black Swan on them, what I want to do is go back with that first brush back into that like reddish shade Sly one. And we're gonna bring that right back through the crease. Yeah, this is giving me real Grinchy vibes right now. Okay, so now it's time to add in, who cares? Who cares? It's this green color here, and I'm gonna use that. Maybe mix it in with a Leave Now, which is this black. I wanna see how it is by itself first. I'm gonna apply it with my finger, kind of blend it out on top of the black. If it's not dark enough, then we're gonna add in the Leave Now and kind of blend it out and get this lid going. So let's see. Yep. And I'm just using my finger to kind of blend it out. Yeah, like that. This is getting real Grinchy real quick, okay? But that green is actually really, really pretty like that. I don't really need to add the black, but what I will do is I will take a little bit of that black with a skinny brush. This is my Morphe M506 brush. And this is a really sparkly black with like blue and gold and just Christmas all up in it. I'm gonna take that for the outer corner right here. I just kind of add that in there. Just to kind of deepen up that outer corner. Let me see what she's giving. She's not giving much, honestly. But I want that just to enforce that smoke. It's not really doing much on top of that black, to be honest. But it's a little something. Just to add a little dimension. And kind of smoke it off. Yeah, I like that. Uh-huh. 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 Keeping it Grinchy. I do want to take a little bit of that black in the inner corner as well. Like right in here. Kind of give that almost halo effect. But it's a sparkly black, so it just gives this really nice luminous effect. Keeping it real Grinchy right now. Real Grinchy or whatever. Okay? Alright. I like this. Alright, so now for the bottom lash line, we're going to use a little bit of this sparkly black. I think I want to take it on the outside of the bottom with Sly one, which is the reddish tone. Yep. Alright, and then I'm going to take Who Cares with the same brush. And I'm going to apply that to the inner bottom just to give a green Grinch dusting. Ooh. I think it's very Grinchy. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the liner, which is the milk liner, to my bottom lash line. You don't really need to see that. And then we're going to go ahead, use the Too Faced glitter glue, and put some of this green glitter on. Alright, so I already got my glitter glue open. So I really just, I'm going to apply it with my hands. I just want it to be like kind of on top of where that other green is and like sprinkles of it. So I'm just going to kind of tap it in the center. Very softly. Just to get that tackiness on there. Then I'm going to take a whole different finger. No, I'm going to take the same finger and just kind of rub it in that glitter. I don't want too much on it though. And I'm going to kind of lightly tap it on there. But this is literally tinsel green, like, glitter. Just like, baby, I'm Grinching, okay? Alright, so I went ahead and put that glitter on. I'm loving the way this looks on this, like, on my computer, because that's what I use to kind of see everything. That looks really, really good. It's almost giving me, like, Beyonce Blow, almost, but, like, more, like, dramatic and, like, Grinchy. Like, I'm loving that. Ooh, ooh. I'm like, does she need a wing? I feel like I'm gonna do one, but she doesn't really need one because it's already black and smoky. But I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a bomb black wing. Okay, so now that this eye is complete, we're gonna put on a little bit of the blush that's in the palette. It's called Heart of Who. It is a pretty light colored blush. Yeah, I don't know why you can't do a color that's better for more skin tones, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see what she's looking like. And I don't normally do blush, so we'll see. I mean, it's a little something. It's more of a highlighting blush, and I already have highlighter on, kinda. So it's not really doing much. It's giving me ashiness. I'm gonna do a little bit more on this side to see what she gives. It has too much of a highlight in there, so especially on the camera, it's giving me like ashiness. I'm trying to get a good blend going, but it's kind of giving me ghost face killer. I kind of want to try the highlight, but I know it's kind of even worse. Let's see. Yeah, that highlight's too light for me. So I'm only gonna take a little bit on this side too. So if you are medium to deep, that highlighter and blush ain't exactly gonna be your best friend. I'm just saying. Use it if you want, if you like that super intense bling blow highlighter, but otherwise those are a little bit light bright. Alright, so this is that look, and then with the lip on, yes, this is that lip. It's green. This is their lip balm. You know, it kind of gives you like that raspberry pinkish tone. You know, I like it. It's more of like a sheer lipstick than a lip balm, it feels. I feel like the hydration kind of absorbs away after a few minutes, and it's just this type of color left over, which is cute. So I mean, I like it. The palette's nice. I told you, like, their pigments are pretty awesome. I wish their brand would focus more so on the shadows. They will go a lot further, but whatever. Yeah, it is what it is. Alright, so I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. As always, please like and subscribe, share, tell somebody, tell your mama, your sister, your cousin, your brother, your auntie, your uncle, your nephew, your baby mama drama, whoever. I don't know. I don't care. Just let them know that Joby Styles is where it's at. If you want to see the tutorials and get that new and that good or whatever, Joby Styles is where it's at. I got that artistry for you, and I teach you how to do it. And that's what sets me apart from a lot of other people. I actually teach you how to do this shit. So come with it. Come with it. You want to get that skill up? Come with it. Alright. Until next time.